For the aviation system, for airports, for airlines, safety is absolutely the most important element. It's a paramount of existence of this industry. There is no aviation without safety, so every issue related to safety will be always the most important for this industry. So today I'm in Stavanger in Norway, just behind our system that was installed. The first purpose of this system was to protect the airports from risk of bird strikes. The second element, which the airport is using also, is using the same system to detect drones as a danger, also to avoid collision and to avoid unnecessary entrance of the birds in the space of the airport. If you do not respect safety, there is a legal element, there is a reputational element, and of course, that puts you out of the business. In other words, safety means existence of this industry. Not everyone realizes the danger of a bird strike. It's also a huge economical cost for the airline and the airport. When we design our systems, we cooperate with the best and most experienced ornithologists.
We deal with the bird strike all the time, all the year, and in these years we estimate in the World Bird Strike Association there is up to 50,000 bird strikes a year across the world. That means every day is almost 140 bird strikes. It's a pretty decent hazard and it's very important for whole aviation, civil and military to manage how to minimize the risk of the bird strike. APS radars collect data about all movements and all objects in the air, drones and the birds. And it's very clearly, you can see in the data what is actually drone and the size of the drone and what kind of birds actually flying around the area. So this is a very important to be able to collect this data in a constant way. You can figure it out, what you can do to stop and to minimize this hazard. So these steps are necessary to do the proper and effective wildlife hazard management.
Well, here locally at Stavanger Airport, two of the main issues is birds and drones. The way we like to work at this airport is just not to buy some equipment, get it installed and the supplier leaves. We like to keep on developing the system to make it better for us and have a dialogue with the supplier and still improving the system. And that's happened with the APS. We had the training for 2 days to train our staff. The training has been really successful and you have brought with you experts on bird control that's given new insight and inspiration for our employees. So the training that's been going on now, it's been really good. System, we collected a lot of data and this given us insight that we didn't have before. So now we can implement new measures and new areas of the airport to make it safer and reduce the number of conflicts between birds and planes.
Advanced protection systems. We protect the airspace.